Hello guys and welcome back to channel and welcome back to our first ever match review of this season that we witnessed last night between Barcelona and Real Sociedad, where Barca survived a lead scare to begin the post-Messi era. Well, overall, we deserve this win. We deserved this win more than anyone, even though it wasn't an easy game, especially those last 10 minutes of the game. But still, the performance that our team has shown is something that we were all asking for. The team showed fight, determination and hunger. Well, the game was entertaining as we played in front of our fans at the Camp Nou after a year. And that's why it was really a special game for all the fans where people chanted at the 10-minute Messi, Messi. And there was also, standing ovations for the PK. So that's why there is a lot to discuss about this game. So let's just get to it. So at the very first, if you look at the lineup, it was Pedri who indeed started again in the game. And with him, it was big call from Ronald Koeman to start Eric Garcia. Well, it did turn out to be a good decision as Eric was already in a good momentum after playing those Olympics. And with Eric Garcia in defense, it was Gerard Piqué, the main man of our defense line. At the fullback position, it was Jordi Alba and Serginho Dest, and in midfield it was Sergio Busquets, our captain, and Frankie de Jong, and the front three were Martin Braithwaite, Memphis Depay and Antoine Griezmann. So now starting with the first half, Barca were doing an absolutely amazing job. They pressed high whenever they lost the ball, like they were showing that the hunger to get the ball. Overall, the best thing about this half was the movement of Barca with the ball, because this time we were playing without Messi. So someone as we expected Griezmann to drop deep. But today we saw something really different. From all those three forwards, Memphis, Braithwaite and Griezmann, they were just doing all what a number 10 does. Cause we saw Braithwaite dropping, sometimes Memphis and Griezmann also dropping. And with this, their transition up front was so smooth, like it was Memphis started as a striker but shifted to the left flank with Braithwaite moving to that striker position, and same with the Griezmann too. And all these transitions really worked out as Real Sociedad defenders were literally having a tough time to mark the players. Like the last season, we mostly used to look out for Messi to pass the ball or to move the ball forward. But in this game, it was not like that. We saw some direct passing, like whoever got the space to run forward, he would receive a ball. We saw some quick counters by Barcelona, a positional game with crisp passing unlike last season where we used to play passes mostly in the midfield. But today, it was something different. Players were looking sharp and we also saw some good build-up plays from the back, with Memphis Depay involving and showing some great skills and combining well with other players too. And well, that's how by the combination of Memphis and PK we got our first goal of the season, and which have to be scored by PK. And that moment, the way he celebrated that goal by kissing the Barca badge, I literally started jumping while watching it. Because to be honest, he deserves that goal after whatever he did by taking significant pay cut to ensure that our new signings do get registered before our first match of this season. And well, whatever happened after it, it was destiny, as Memphis took a beautiful free kick cross into the path of PK, who took the ball and smashed his header into the back of the net and put Barcelona ahead in the game. And Barcelona looked completely dominant even after this goal. They were playing really high on the pitch, and that's why the second goal again was brilliant piece of play by Barcelona, where Garcia won the ball high on the pitch and Frankie de Jong picked up the position and ran towards the box. He floated his beautiful cross towards Braithwaite, and Braithwaite did everything perfect as he charged onto the ball and headed the ball back of the net and put Barcelona in a strong position just before the half time. Well, now moving on to the second half, well, it was little bit nervy as we were looking little bit vulnerable from the flanks, but still today, Garcia who was playing his first match, did an amazing job with PK. He made some vital tackles and blocks, and also Jordi Alba, whose defensive work was quite praiseworthy as he tracked back many times when Real Sociedad looked for a counter-attack. And while talking about Jordi Alba, he even got an assist on 59 minutes where Depay combined with him and Alba put a cross towards Braithwaite's path, who smashed the ball back into the net and got his second goal of the day. Talking about also Martin Braithwaite, by the way, he produced one of his best performances yesterday in a Barca shirt. A complete match-worthy performance by him. And if you look at his stats, they are literally mouth-watering. And it was absolute masterclass performance by him. Well, he even got the assist for the fourth goal, but before that, Real Sociedad did got back into the game due to two late goals, and one of them was that stunning free kick by Mikel. But still, in 91st minute, Barca do got the space as Griezmann charged forward and played the ball into Braithwaite, who drilled his cross towards Sergio Roberto's path, who tapped the cross back into the net and wrapped up the victory for Barcelona in what was their first game of the season. So overall, even though it were nervy last minutes, this win is special. This win has marked the start of a new era. Without Messi, we will obviously lack that incredible amount of talent, but the squad we have got is incredible, who showed today that they are ready to fight for everything which is on their path. Today guys, that's all from me for the review, which I certainly enjoyed a lot while doing so. Do also let me know your thoughts about how do you feel after this first win of our game at the Camp Nou with the fans. Do let me know it all in the comments down below, and also don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe the channel. As usual, I'll meet you soon with another new video. Until that time, Forca Barça!